It's great to be in the workshop with all the PROEVO Plus parts we need to fix the suspension and bush issues we were having with our L494 Range Rover Sport Dynamic. These parts are available for a wide range of Discoveries, Range Rovers and Jaguars. And the great thing about them is they're within OEM tolerance. That means you can change them as a complete setup or as individual parts, and you'll maintain that ride quality you know and love. Right. It's time to get on with some work.
Haven't you done that job yet for me?
Right. What can't undo it for starters?
You don't think you can get it as PROEVO Plus top tip. If you're undoing some bolts on the vehicle, they haven't been undone before and you've got some thread showing, before undoing them, give them a squirt of lubricant and a clean off with a wire brush and they should come off nice and smoothly. Perfect. The aluminium, it's no good.
It's still very good.
So there we have the original OEM front strut, and this is our PROEVO Plus one. OEM part, PROEVO, and there you have the aluminium shield. I know better, same part, taking this one away. Let me know when you got us, Steve-O. By the look at this airbag, I'm glad we're doing this job. I mean, just look at that corrosion. What's really nice to see is the quality of rubber. I know I've said it before, but I will say it again. If I didn't know better, I would think this was an OEM part.
One more time.
you can really start to see where the corrosion is setting in on here, and I wouldn't be surprised if it was a bush like this that was making that knocking noise. Well done, Steve-O.
That's looking good now.
That is the suspension and bushes replaced. There is only one thing left to do now, and that's take this Range Rover out for a test drive. Now we've done all of that work replacing the struts, airbags, bushes, it's time to see how this Range Rover is handling. And I can tell you what, straight out of the bat, it's feeling way smoother. Those knocking noises have gone, and that suspension is feeling silky smooth again. It's as if this car has just come out of the factory. Wafting along. This is some pretty tight, windy little lanes, and I'm floating over all those bumps. This is exactly what I was hoping this car would feel like now. But it's all well and good saying that on these lovely little country lanes. The true test is taking it off-road, and that's exactly what we're doing now. This Range Rover required some maintenance in the suspension and bush department, and that's something PROEVO Plus parts allowed me to do. Not only are these parts within OEM tolerance, but they also have that fit and forget about capability, allowing for smooth installation. And that's something that I'm really pleased about, because that's going to allow this vehicle to be enjoyed for years to come.